Hello everyone and welcome to North Vista's channel. International graduates, don't lose hope. Today's video is just for you. Many were hoping to benefit from the English-speaking international graduate stream that Canada recently launched. This was the most popular of the 6 streams introduced by Canada to allow about 90,000 additional international graduates and essential workers to apply for permanent residence. The 2 English-speaking essential worker streams have a quota of 50,000 applications combined, while the quota for the English-speaking international graduation stream was 40,000 applications. Given the sheer volume of international graduates in Canada, the English-speaking graduate stream was the first to fill its quota. This was achieved in 25 hours after the streams went live. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada will eventually begin to review the 40,000 applications, a process which inevitably entails refusing applications that do not meet IRCC's criteria. IRCC may then surprise us yet again. IRCC mentioned that they are not in a position to comment on this and have not made any indication to this effect, but it may eventually welcome more English-speaking graduate stream applicants to compensate for the refusals. IRCC has done this in the recent past after holding their parents and grandparents program lotteries. Some of those invited through the lotteries chose not to go ahead and submit applications, resulting in IRCC then inviting new applicants. Another possibility is that some candidates were eligible for both the graduate stream and an essential worker stream and decided to submit 2 applications and also paid double the amount in application fee. To increase the number of permanent residents it lands under the graduate stream, IRCC may choose to process such individuals under an essential worker stream. So far, the worker streams have predictably garnered far less interest than the graduate stream, which, as you know, is a larger population in Canada than foreign workers. It may be worthwhile to ensure you meet all the criteria of the closed graduate stream in case IRCC decides to welcome more applications. Completing your English language test and obtaining all your documents has few downsides but tremendous upsides. Perhaps the only downside is the validity of your language test may expire if you do not submit a permanent resident application after 2 years. However, on the upside, being ready now gives you a chance if IRCC opens their doors for this stream. Moreover, with all your documents in hand, you will be prepared to submit your immigration application when you are ready. For more information, kindly get in touch with us to speak to our experienced licensed consultants. You can reach us at +1 647 660 5758 or email us at info@northvistaimmigration.com. Alternatively, you can also WhatsApp me at +1 902 297 8430. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.